Children, now we are going to do a new chapter in English language. Quickly take out your books of English language on page number 34, chapter number 9, adjectives. Okay, so adjectives are describing words. In our previous classes also we have learned about adjectives. From our very early age we are learning this about adjectives, so we'll read about it. We have already learned about the fact that adjectives are the words which are used to describe nouns as well as pronouns. We already know that adjectives are the words are used to describe nouns and pronouns as well. Okay, so adjectives that describe the quality of something are called adjectives of quality. For example, Pinky is an honest girl. Okay, so it is telling about honesty of the Pinky. Okay, Raju's sister is an intelligent student. So who is intelligent? Raju's sister is intelligent. It is what it is serving. It is serving the quality of, adjective of quality. Okay, in the above statement, intelligent and honest tell us about the quality of the nouns. ठीक है, यहाँ पिंकी noun है, यहाँ राजू sister is noun, and they are telling the quality of the nouns. Okay, now we learn about adjectives that tell us about the quality of something. Okay, something means anything. Okay, that name place animal thing, thing means we are talking about, so it tells about the quantity. Okay, how you can identify the adjective by getting the answer of how much in a sentence. Okay, I'll give you an example, then that will be more clear to you. Give me some water. How much water? Some water. There is little sugar in the pot. How much sugar is there in the pot? Little sugar. Now, adjective does tell us the possession of a noun by something or someone are called possessive adjectives. This must be your cap. Okay, so this is telling about the possession, owning. Who owns this cap? Okay, belonging. This cap belongs to whom? So this cap must be yours. This must be your cap. There are many books in our library. There are many books in our library. So library has a possession of books. It holds books. Our grandmother's story telling is very impressive. So grandmother's storytelling is very impressive. Adjectives that indicate a particular noun are called demonstrative adjective. This, that, these and those. Demonstrative that tells about a particular, indicate a particular noun. That this book is mine. See, just before a noun, adjective is there written. This book. So now we will read about adjectives that are called interrogative adjectives. Okay, adjectives that are asking questions like whose cap is this, whose bag is this, which pizza do you want to order. Okay, which pizza do you want to have, which is your bag, what is your name. So these are the questions that we are going to use as a part of as adjectives, and they are called interrogative adjectives. What is a proper adjective? What is a proper adjective now? A proper adjective is one formed from a proper noun, and so it is written with its first letter in capital. Okay, so here is a proper adjective. Proper adjective is one formed from a proper noun only. They are formed from a proper noun, and it is written, their first letter is written in capital. Like the Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. So it is a proper adjective. Okay, how? Proper noun. It is noun. Indian Ocean is noun. Arabian Sea is noun. Swiss watches are renowned for their durability. So their first letter isn't written in capital. They are telling the noun. Swiss watches, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. So if you are having any problem, you can ask me. Exercises are done for you. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Mention their kinds also. Okay. Other exercises are giving. Now we will learn about comparison of adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. We already know that. They are divided into three different parts: positive, comparative and superlative. They are the degrees also. You can say they are the degrees are divided into different degrees. Bull is a big animal. A camel is bigger than buffalo. Okay. The elephant is the biggest animal of all. Positive degree refers to its simplest form. It tells about noun without any comparison. First degree is the positive degree. It doesn't compare anything. It's just the simplest form. It tells about it tells about a noun without any comparison. Now comes the comparative degree. As its name itself suggests, it makes comparison between two people, two things or two places. Okay, like camel is bigger than buffalo. So camel and buffalo are compared here. So this is the comparative degree. Now come to third degree, that is superlative degree. It is used for making comparison among more than two persons or things. See, if we want to make comparison between two people, so we can use the comparative degree. More than two persons or things, then we use superlative degree. It is used to compare